What are we making tonight?
We are going to make some patty melt tonight. One for each of us. That's why there's 4 on it.
Got the burgers on the Blackstone. We'll get all the rest of good stuff together and get it going. We've got rye bread, we've got Hawaiian bread, and we've got regular wheat. We've got Thousand Island, and we've got onions that I just grilled.
That's the regular one. That's that. That's that. This is the cheddar one. Put a little sauce on them.
Sure.
And then put the bun on them. And
yeah.
Put more sauce on if we want. Regular. That one. That one.
Mine and hubby's, if you're wondering, are rye bread. The kids one wanted Hawaiian bread and the other one wanted regular wheat. Oh boy, scorched it.
That one got a little toasted. To make sure everything melts. This is supposed to be a patty melt. Don't leave them too long.
Nah, don't want to kill them.